adofo Ghana for addition mo twa wiase afa na nyina ahia me mama kwaba eba omamba TV so it's your main man Gucci One ena me de maka dwumadie bro abusafo ani bre ene bufu sambi ekoso ewo man Ghana mu 450 seater chamber parliamentarians ni mu bi si yensi no enu ti na ne maba wo nchen ye ba sisi a
Mekane biom nyame mam yakoma na menka no buom na yansoma be shoot me anaju the room but me ni choice me mpede ekoso wo krom first of all no we nkoma mebunu the youth cause baby aye di no yama ya dwumanda wa nkranketo ebeku no ye ni so bete yen na ya dan yakokofunu ye di kan aban no bon ho ban odwe mo ho ana so de wisike si dan university awapa no wudi degree ni tu kan akwamo no ne akopra ana se tachi man before ni hypocrisy there. Yempa wasemu anache so ka no pre. Ye ma menu mfunsuo ntio na ye bre. Eja suku kura nyansa de ni hwa ye kire. Ye mpanyimfo no ya monka no pre. Nti bu hu se ni Ghana fo ne bre. Oyo ye tunu kromo ha so sto ye sre. Meni tia se wusie tuo se ye gire. Omu kuyen so wubie wano a wusuro. Nti yentu oba na mumbo ye mfuturo. Bekunya che eye mamumri ye kuro. Sa wombo ayafo amenko se ne duro. Yo ko ben na yetimi na bibie jimi ye ni tuase nkoye wo bia ye jinse mumui kanya na edumi business na egui frustration abeda ni pakumi adwembo ni fita asem kesi besipa obi ampeso oboso ni omunim ne sikedina ye hihye mutima ni chobo tena konkoso na monye nyankopon so hwe munyina ni obo apo le didi nya de obeye dwumaden wo ka yesi hey untumi pontra wadwen o man na ye ntomanka tetia manasen loss in yejumanti will be you soon again. Asante for the trauma kufuado. No for so mahama, oya na me raho. Or trauma the promuni and your babuano. Minya no mensi anyanso, Mr. Honorable. O mine sika ko go baby fako. If yanko for second in Japan to Kubako, men party send me I am fan yaman fan castle. Lona yadeji, eda yanana no manaso. Again, then bonin kwa. Yeti in free baby na fia. Tonkwa once the woka ya say here. Economy na say 6 feet at the katia. Ahomachia. Room something will be one room. Ashe, mumufia generator ye ne Jimmy. Yate, modem matu tu pan yada so tutin grasse. Rubu ni papa siacha. Baby ni nite. About one about the modem mumra mesha yebo. Ghana for na me blame me yate rally so ebeko. Obi be ye juma from 8 to 6. Bosome na ketu ya chicken change. Politician what the parliament wanya she. Ono wo to meet or dine Santo range. Abro, me say yen paying for the two crime. Inti mu grabo chi amu hu say fine. Mu hwe poto kante mu hu nya munyan. Mu nam lord kwan so a inti anya mo tan. Esamua, pese me nku minyante wo man na say the last. Ye short water, short electricity, short gas. Bana bebu man yan to am say be cash. O wanya say send me car, media for say relax. Corruption ya ka ya da so ye. How light and so. O da fit be check. What be that? As I make Ghana TV pet, I'm a pressure no go show.
Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
This leading to again, and you don't hear me for some fan change or more for my young cambom. I'm on the top of the film. Into Papi Bar, or would remember from Yana Yabra for Sada Sudom, you need the big cop. Can I see your warfare? Could also not need a pet. I said, Muhammad, so one year your pet. I do mean that you are one year pet. Maybe I don't know the same man in that. Who did you put myself to be on the airport? Because I could papa that you be a very much. As some of me, if you could make me your talk, huh? With the company.
Emusafo afei se wohu enoma ene se de Ghana tibia etie Ghana ne tibia se wohu se de etie efin a edokro ye eye enkwara omunya classrooms entena na omutiti nyiase ena esua de okoy hospitals a eye empa nipa bebre enyampa ayarefo enyampa naso na omode ade ayarehwe no bebre kwa emebunu bebre eye graduate omo nya graduate so omo nya adwuma nye ene bebre adane frosters no mote eye online defraud enkofo because adwuma ni manim but I so survival into omo apen ho adwuma bi oye wohwe empo ba bi te se kotuka wiemu sen ginabia yeni one national airline po Ghana for adisi wo akontum no ebrum pem omo ba ticket ometwa nyina na ekọ eye abrofo yibotom anase ekọ ada eye countries yibotom yankasa Ghana for paying no sabiwo omunya ndwin do sa stage no se yenye bi at all cost na ka ebehuni eno na mo agi agina mu si yenye bi nanka 450 seater chamber no ke ato enu ato ba bi nanka 200 million ebutafo $200 million no enka Yemfonto airline eye be 4 nanka yenhwe within 6 months sikanka any revenue ebe generate e di aba eye omanim airline ba kokura cost ye $50 million kwa enka ensin yen enka beboa yen ama within a year and 6 months mpo ka obohum revenue e di bebre oman no ne nyina payfo apo saade no but rather no parliament eho enyamada di 4 years any once a year oman panyin oteso no koma state of the nation address no this amre no 4 years o ebusafo mfie nan bia na hoyema yesue in new parliament any new president ye kosue ni ina ene ho no MPs ni nyina akọ ene omo koja wo omo kọ ema parliament ne eyema apart from no any state of the nation address no parliament enyema biem na we nyina achi no samu bekaya be na otwimienu ena deputy speaker Joseph Osei Owusu mede ne hunsam bi bae se wo de abeto abonten se be MPs be 15 ebusafo 15 MPs omo edom din abewura parliament register mu wabro mantu omo na yensi parliament ho ena obebe ka kire tra ena MPs cross omo fo omo hu din tra na eni na anu na ansa na masa de foforo abetum Ghana fo na nsam fun efata ye wo hu enu ma ye yi kire ene yabobo so nyina no eno no enye priority but 450 seater chamber eno ene hia mo na anwanwasem wo mni se abusafo eye majority leader opanyin chairman sabonsu ono na waje agina nsam yi mu ene nchiremu ahodo bia na abusafo wuti nchiremu ni bia na sabi wa hwe ya na wuyemu ekoka because utra se dwene se enti ansam wo panyin we pa na eka ebe yenwanwa yenko tie nsam ni bi kakra na yenhwe ye ba de ewo nya de beto aso yenko tie bi mra.
Now, if you come to the divide between the majority and the minority, it's like a spittle away. It's a spittle throw away from between the majority and the minority. If we stretch our hands, perhaps I'll be able to touch the hands of the minority leader. It doesn't obtain anywhere in the world. Because, human as we are, we could get a bit passionate about some of the issues. And if it should degenerate into something else, then the throwing of arms or even wild gesticulations could mean something, could lead to something. Whenever have we been able to achieve this before we started building our stadia or our national theater? There's a housing deficit close to 2 million, and yet we are building roads. Between roads and housing, the priority should be on housing. We build roads, we build schools, we build health facilities. They are all to inure to the quality of life, the standard of living of our people. So let's not really say that not until we satisfy the basic human needs, other things are luxuries. They are not. They are not.
I'm so for someone to be on masum. What to be or say? Ada na yanka say ye ni aduani di. Enu ntino stadium ayekosisi here. Oh my goodness. Like this is coming from the majority leader. Why Taiwan who was after when so watch our parliament. But maybe I know so later. Watch our parliament. And you know, at the time now walk about stadium, no, it was necessary because na Ghana ye be host to the AFCON. And you know, it was necessary, say, see a stadium munya, you will see a near CB account. Sebi, in previous. This is common sense. This is common sense. It is own question and send will be assassin. And a young woman say, Okofa be room, or Sato so also, I can say, me say, Osha, baby or Mutina, what Tinamon sa, na Yako, minority side. I was for just a penny champions and some will come from A to Z, you know. Nini na Murankwa will turn rasa. To me no, Messi, I am Piankwan open, you know, airto. I am Piankwan, 77 predators, or to a yam pia, and someone walking now, noon and nine. MPs nipping so, Ekasa, ATI, Yentie, or Monso, Bakubi, Eddie. I don't know why MPP, Yentie, Patrick Boama, Yentie the Opinino, Kakrebi on so Ekai.
It's time for everything. I think the timing is wrong. I think there are more pressing things that we ought to look at as a parliament. Now, the public is not looking at this issue as a parliamentary issue. They've taken it as a governmental issue. And I don't think the government wants to be very unpopular with a decision that the Parliamentary Service Board has taken. I belong to the executive. I'm a member of parliament as well. And my position is that I don't think the timing is right. Ghanaians have a lot of pressing needs that they would want us to address and which the government of President Akufo-Addo is attending to seriously. We don't want this issue to distract government and its activities and programs. So my view is that I have a lot of challenges in my constituency. How am I going to answer a question of this nature that the few things that I'm fighting through government to get done in my constituency, I overlooked it and rather focused on a new chamber. I think first things first.
Yo, I was for and that way, or MPP ni mapa, and or they in some way at all a ponso. Or say, or no, dear, said the names may come at once, so can I say, and ya dear yet priority. Set as a set omgosi 450 seater chamber now. It's for a year future, a year debate be a or china be debate with Yaba, na yaka and once. But as it stands in a dear, omunko, no musanko down you and sana, and omodi sansom way, ababeto, a year Ghana for any. Now, I was for to the extent to say, yenya artistic impression, not just an architect, why you money for free. It doesn't take one day. And artists no better than no I a check or planning ye. It's in Emra Bain or Muko no can't answer no to me yeah. Artistic impression. At the buyer was for Sika saying and I cost taxpayer. Speaker ni o deputy ni mpanfo amkotena ase my Haruna ni chairman sabus no no o mkeka ho mumfa ntemu papa mra embeka nche Ghana for now you take this opportunity to say sorry ne one na to plead with parliamentarians ne dey obayin eyenwura yempe no atie sika sai na modema architect ema ne yes artistic impression mumfa no mbra na yenhwe eno ne yepe ahwe na Mema mean some encore HBB. Osha House of Commons, United Kingdom, Krumha. Here, omuti bench so ting. Desk ba kukurensi womanim. Nanso omanyi ekononim. Etumi ya ma ema MPs ni bi gina ho. Enti se city no e be take 3 hours crampa. Omegina omunan so. Kopin say 3 hours no be so. Nanso mumu de mo gadget mo bibia esisi monim. Enso still parliament na enye ma no. Musi ensankosi fufuro. Enfamamo mutwamura embaso I don't think say ebebaso enti munko na munfa de papa ebiamra embeto Ghana for anim na I think say some de ba na papa Ghana for dey ebesomu na yemdi twato abusafo say opeyin chairman suppose since 1997 ena okọ parliament na say dem pay for kan nsuo eche woto mu a eyinka enti swamefo the ball is in your court. In so na mudi go tuamu since 1997 na makata so no. Tuana ya kata so no. Since 1997 no. It is in your court. Some of you say eyin kadia ene munhie na mumasa nsuo na eyin kan emesenko na mumfa fresh water nsuo fresh one engu atoanim na enoma entimi enko enkan enfama mo empemfo se banyansani yebuni be na yenka nasem maka Ave subscribe to your YouTube channel no oko YouTuber na wa search for Omamba TV na wa click subscribe any adoma ketwa na won chen no se de be ya your videos be at the baba bontin ube edi kan aide enya bi ahye science so na Facebook okwa na wa hwehwe Omamba TV na wa like your page no na wa share videos no na wa comment e bi edi amaye eda mu nyina amase makram